Alright guys, today we're going to talk about decimals. We've been doing that in class recently, but this video is about adding and subtracting decimals. Now this is going to be a nice series of videos on things you have already learned, but hey, it's never bad to learn things again. Alright, so when you add and subtract decimals, the most important thing you do is you line it up. That is so important, guys. And what you are lining up is you are lining up the place values. So let's say, for instance, you had 12.6 plus 9.34. Okay? This is not what you do. 9.34. That does not work. You need to line it up. You have to line up the place values. So, for instance, the 9 over here in this number is in a 1's place. So you need to put it under the 1's place, your decimal, and then the 3 is in the 10th place, and the 4 is in the 100th place. Now you can add it. You got an empty space up here, guys, just add a 0. 12.6 is the same thing as 12.60. You didn't change it. Now you add. It's very hard, guys. 4, 9, bring that decimal down, 11 carry, 21.94. Alright, guys? So we're going to line it up. Let's look at a couple more examples. Yes, I know that you've done this before. It never hurts to look at it again. Alright, let's do 4.12 minus 0.8. Again, we're going to line it up. So we've got 4.12. Okay, the 4 is in the 1's place. The 0 is in the 1's place. So you put them underneath each other. Put your decimal. The 8 is in the 10th place. The 1 is in the 10th place. So you line that up, and you subtract. Put a 0 there at the end to fill that in, because it makes it the exact same number, and it just looks like a neater problem. 2 minus 0 is 2. Almost wrote 0. 1 minus 8 we can't do, so we've got to borrow. This becomes 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. Carry that decimal down. 3.32. Alright, one last example, guys, and then you're going to do this on your own. And my last example is 11 minus 5.2. Now you might have been told in the past when you did this, guys, to line up the decimal. I'm not telling you that. I'm telling you to line up the place values, and here's why. If you have an 11, there is no decimal there. Okay? There's not. So that can be really confusing. However, it does have place values. So the 1 here is in 1's place, just like the 5 is. And that's where you put the 5. Okay, now we're subtracting, but there's nothing over here. You can add a 0.0 to the end of any whole number, and it's still the exact same thing. 11 is the same thing as 11.0. Alright, now we gotta subtract. Oh, we gotta do a lot of borrowing here, don't we, guys? That should be 8. Carry your decimal down. Borrow again. That becomes a 10. 5.8. Sorry, guys, kind of wrote off the paper down there. Now you guys need to complete your notes and do the activity that I have given you to do in class. Alright, thank you guys so much.